Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to make easy botanical tags, but first let's have our shout out to Zombie Queen, Eric and Ruthie, Mary, Edith, Judy, Sally, Evelyn, Vicky, and Mags. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you're going to need some flowers. You're needing some smaller flowers. I have already fussy cut a few out. Now these happen to be from digitalcollage.com, and this is kind of the size that you're needing, all right? And then what you're going to need is you're going to need some smaller doilies. Now I have coffee dyed a few of these doilies, and I have some that are white, and these are 4-inch doilies. And so then I have made a couple of tags in prepping for this video. I've taken the book pages and I've backed them onto my coffee dyed paper, and I have machine stitched all the way around in some black thread. I went ahead and put a punch in this one. I have my punch here just in case we want to punch the other one out. So let's just begin. So let's choose a flower, and let's do two. Let's do one with coffee dye, and then let's do one with white. So you'll take your little doily, and you know there is a right side and a back side, or I guess I should say the front side and the back side. I'm going to place the back side up, and I'm just going to make like a little cone out of it. And I'm going to crease one side, and then I'm going to fold the other. So we're making like a little cone like this. Okay? So what we want to do is we want to select our flower. So that one's sweet. I like that one. There's this one right here. Oh, that one's really pretty, isn't it? I'm thinking that this sunflower might look the best in the white one, but I don't know. It's really pretty in that one too. So there's also this one. Oh, I think we'll go with this one. So I'm not even going to ink it at all. I'm going to just open this back up just like this. And I'm going to take my hot glue because it's quick and handy for the videos. And I'm going to stick it down right here. It is very unforgiving. I will say that about the glue gun. So if you choose to start using a glue gun for your crafting, you must remember it doesn't forgive you. If you stick it down, that's where it's going to be. It doesn't let you change your mind. Okay, so there we go. We've got that all created. Oh my goodness, isn't it cute? So I think what I want to do is place another little tiny flower on here. Maybe just about right like that. Just stick that right on there, just like this. And let's bring in our card, our tag I should say. And I'm going to put it cattywampus, because I am going to put my punch right up here, so I might as well just punch it right now so that we can place our flower bouquet. So punch that right out. Ooh, excuse me. And let's put it at, as my mother would say, cattywampus to the world. And let's go ahead and get that glued down. So here we go. We're just getting this all glued down. And we're going to put it at an angle, just like that. Oh, I think that looks so, so sweet. Oh, very, very sweet. Kind of, I don't know, shabby chic and Victorian and all that rolled up, botanical, all rolled into one, right? So I do have a butterfly. I have a couple of them here. I'm thinking maybe a butterfly on here would be sweet. I also have my labels. Now I've mixed my labels up, but these are mostly Tracy Fox labels, but they are mixed. So if you see somebody else's labels in here, although I have noticed that a lot of the people who do things like this, they're kind of interchangeable. So let's see here. Thinking I want something a little, maybe a little bigger. I have made a few that I will show you at the end. I actually did something different, and I was thinking about showing you that, and then I thought, well, I'll just ask if you guys want me to go ahead and show you that in another video, because that would make the video kind of long to show you that step and then make a tag. So if you would like for me to show you how I did it, then I will be happy to make a video for that. So you'll know what I'm talking about in just a minute. Just a second. Okay, and there we go. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, now we need a little top on here. I don't actually have any pink handy, but I do have this cream color, and that will be just fine. I'm just going to put a little tiny little tie right here. I think that's adorable. All right, let's make a white one just for something, you know, different. And we talked about, or I talked about, maybe using that sunflower. So once again, we're going to start with the back side, what I call the back side, because this is smooth, and this you can see the ridges in the stamp of the doily. So I'm going to use that side up, and we're just going to fold a little on one side, and then we're going to, oh my goodness, there were two doilies here. Okay, we just need one doily. So we're going to fold the other side, just like this. So you're making a little cone, and then you're going to select your fussy cut flower, and you're going to place it in there. Oh yeah, I like the yellow with the white is really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue this in with my hot glue, and I'm just going to put it right in there just like that. Let me tilt it just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to glue down this part right here. So the flaps. There we go. Put down the flaps, take this off the glass mat. So now we have it looking like this. Now you can ink this up if you want. I just chose not to. So I think it will fit better if I turn it this way. Now, if you make your tag, or you have a tag, and it's a little shorter than your bouquet, you can take your bouquet and just trim around some of these little, mine happen to be flowers on my doily, so that it will fit better onto your tag, and it won't matter at all. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue this down just like this. Get this glued down, and then let's go ahead, and now I have, we're going to put something right there in the center. That's a little, see, now that's a little too big. I don't care for that, and I don't care for the fact that it's a big old rose, so maybe something smaller. So I'm not real sure about this, guys. How about if there's anything over here that might work for us? Ah, look right there. There's a yellow rose, and I don't think I even want it to be maybe that big. So let's just trim out the bigger leaves of this and trim off this other part. There we go. We're just going to trim it off just like that. I'm going to get my computer going here. Sorry, my screen went dark. I had to wake my computer up or something. All right, so, oh yeah, I like that a lot better on there. So I'm just going to add my glue, and I'm going to put it right on there. So now we look like this. I like that. So let's go ahead and pick ourselves out a label. I have that creamy label. That's pretty with it. I have a bigger label. That's okay too. I'm thinking maybe a darker label. Oh, I like that one a lot. Now, do we want a butterfly on this one? Oh, we might put one right there. Now, I am going to ink up this label. So quickly, and I actually corner rounded it at one time. I thought I was going to use it, and it's already been corner rounded. And I'm thinking maybe, I've got this yellow for the top, but I'm thinking maybe we can fray it and put a little piece somewhere. Should have gone underneath that label, but once again, my glue is very unforgiving. But if we just stick it right there, just for something different. Now I'm going to change glues, and I'm going to just put a little my Tombow glue right here, just to hold on to that piece of material, and for this little butterfly to go right there. So let's put our little tie into our hole here, our slat, and I will show you these others, and I'll show you the other thing that I did with the doilies and the flowers to see if possibly you want me to show you how I did that. And I'm just going to trim this off, and I'm going to fray this just a tiny bit right here. Get that frayed look going on that we like. And I'll pick it up for you to see. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love these. So here's the other one that we made. And then I made this one. And here's one that I was talking to you about. I made with wax. Do you see that it's been waxed? I waxed the doily and the flowers. It's hard. It's not, it's firm, it's hard. It's been waxed. So I tried it that way, and it's pretty. It changes the look a little bit. I don't know which way, if I like it that much more, but I do like it. I like it a lot. Here's another one that I've made. It's not waxed. But I just think these are so much fun to make. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.